Alright, so this is a video regarding ExtractMaster and ExtractMaster Extreme. I want to show you basically how the software works. Very, very simple. If you need leads for your business, if you want an unlimited amount of leads for your business, and you're sick and tired of just going out and buying leads all the time, well, here's a great way to do it. Very simple to use. And what it is a classified leads scraper. It goes into Craigslist, Backpage, Adland Pro, and eBay Classified, all four of these sites. The basic version goes into Craigslist only, and you'll see on the basic version that the colors are green and these are blue. So now these websites are basically classified type websites, and all you do is select whichever one you like to use. Say in this case we're going to do Craigslist, and you select the category that you like to use, and this mimics the website. Okay, and you can select whatever subcategory that you like. So if you want to use the entire category, you select the major, parent category, and then it'll select all these. If you want to select all, you can. Unselect all, really up to you. And on the other side, you select which location that you like. Okay, so we have over here that you can select whichever country you want. So say if you do the US, and you select over here, let's see, New York, and then we're going into New York, and we're going into smaller areas into New York, so you can really dig down deep and develop leads and find leads into the very specific categories and locations that you like. Now if you just want to go into the US only, well, I just select the whole thing. Now you're done with that. Now I usually leave all of these checked: email address, fax number, phone number, name, URL, and the ad itself. I can always go into Excel or OpenOffice and sort them out later, so I just want to collect all the information. I mean, that's the way I recommend doing it. At this point, you type in whatever keyword that you're looking to search for. In this case, I'm just going to type in a name of a company, okay, Avon, and then at this point you go and you select the date range that you'd like to select. So I'm just going to select from the beginning of June. You can select really just about as far back as you want to go, practically. Okay, and then we're all set. That's really it. Now all we do is click on Extract Start. It's going to ask where do you want to save the file. I usually save it right on my desktop, so I'm going to type in here CL for Craigslist and Avon. Then I just type in whatever date it happens to be, but I'll just leave it like this for now. And it's going to start to scrape. So now on the bottom of the software, you're seeing over here where it is. So if I ever wanted to go and copy the URL just to make sure that it's pulling off the right information, I can do that and just highlight, and then I just go Control-C on my keyboard, and then I can go to see how that's working. Okay, so I'm just testing that URL right now, the one I just copied. I pasted it into the top box of my browser, and you just hit enter. That's going to pull up the advertisement, and as you can see, it's an Avon advertisement, so it is pulling the correct information. Okay, so now you have all this other information down here, but the information is also being taken and put onto the Excel spreadsheet for you. All the information that it could possibly take is being taken on there, including probably the email address, unless this happens to be a graphical picture, which it looks like it has. Okay, so but I just wanted to show you with this example that it is pulling exactly what you're typing in with the keywords. Now I've only been letting this run for a few minutes, and you can see we're also having lots and lots of leads come up in here, but don't worry about later on. What we're going to do is we're going to sort those leads out, but just want to show you how fast this really pulls the leads. Now I'm going to stop this because I want to show you the other features of the program. So now I've reset the program. Let's go into something else, and you'll notice as you do these that different sites pull up different types of information. Some sites will pull up more phone numbers, some will be more email addresses, and so on. So you can go in here and you can select whichever one you want, and we're just going to select jobs, and of course you can go into any subcategories that you might want to, and we'll select United States, and of course you can do the same thing as well here, and I'll type in the same thing. Go over here and select the date, and we'll let it go. It's going to ask me what I want to do. So I'm just going to put on here BP for Backpage, Avon, and save. And the software is going to start running. You'll see the URLs down at the bottom of the software, and it'll start to save it to that CSV file. Okay, so what I've done is gone back and open the software. I'm just going to reset it. We're going to go to back page, and we're just going to click on Jobs and United States. I'm just going to type in Marketing, and we'll select the date range of, again, June 1st, and we're all set. Now it's going to ask, where do you want to save it? All right. And it's going to start. Now here we go. Now here it is pulling up the information. Again, you have the links down here that you can copy and check it out should you want to do that. And it's pulling all this information up. So we can let that run, and we'll see how much it pulls up for a little bit. Now I've been letting this run for less than a minute, and as you can see, these numbers are just going like crazy. It's pulling up all these numbers here for you, email addresses, phone numbers, and so on. And we can let this run for a long time. You can see over here Birmingham, meaning that it's in the top version, the top portion here. We have lots of states to go through, lots of cities to go through. And you'll be able to pull up thousands and thousands of leads just by doing this. Set it up, walk away, and come back, and you'll have more leads than you can count. So that is for Backpage, and that's basically how you use that. All right, let's go to AdLand Pro. We're going to select on Business and Jobs. I'm selecting MLM Business Opportunities, and we'll just select all here just for now. And I'm just going to type in MLM. That's it. Start. It's going to ask where I want to do that. And we just let it go. That's how simple it is, folks. It takes literally 10-15 seconds to set up the software, and you see it's going through the advertisements down here, pulling up the leads over here, and it takes seconds. It's not a lot of effort for a lifetime worth of leads. And these sites are so popular that every single day there's thousands and thousands and multiple thousands of leads and classifieds coming in there that you can really use to build your business. All right, I stopped the software again, went into eBay Classified, and this formerly was Kijiji, and you can go in here and you can do the same exact thing. Community for sale, housing, jobs, whatever you're looking for to look in here, just select anything. And this really does only the United States, so I'm just going to select US, and I'll put in here our old favorite, which is Avon. Hit the date range and start. Select where you want to save it, eBay, and Avon. Done. That's pretty much it, folks. Now look at all the leads coming in. This is real time. This is not something we're playing around with here. Very, very, very simple to pull up these leads. There you go. Okay, so just to recap, what do we have here? You have your very simple tool that you can run on your computer anytime, pop it up, a few seconds to set it up. You can have yourself leads for really ever. You can go in and you can specialize in where you want to be able to select the leads, states, countries, cities, towns, depending on whichever service you're using. You can go in and you can select whatever category and subcategory that you want to pick from. It's amazing how to use this software and to use it for your benefit to build your business, whatever it may be. So, how do you get the software? You go to your site, go to the affiliate link of the person that referred you, and get started today. You'll be able to use the software in no time. And again, this is a one-time purchase. There are no monthly fees associated with this whatsoever. Once you have the software, you're all set and ready to go. Thanks a lot for your time and watching this video. Have yourself a great day.